Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and beauty insights. Today, we're diving into the Yaheetech Rolling Stool Adjustable Stool Chair with Wheels, a versatile seating solution designed for professionals across various industries. This stool features a thick foam-padded seat covered in soft PU leather, complemented by a footrest positioned at an ergonomic height to enhance user comfort. The hydraulic gas lift allows for easy height adjustments, ranging from 50.5 centimeters, 20 inches, to 65 centimeters, 25.6 inches, accommodating different working environments. Equipped with 5 360-degree swivel wheel casters, it ensures smooth mobility, making it ideal for settings like barbershops, salons, tattoo parlors, medical offices, schools, and home garages. Assembling the stool is straightforward, with detailed instructions and all necessary hardware included, enabling even those less experienced in assembly to complete the setup within 30 minutes. The stool's compact design makes it suitable for tight spaces, and its lightweight construction allows for easy relocation between rooms. In terms of performance, the stool provides a comfortable seating experience, with the foam-padded seat and footrest supporting prolonged use without discomfort. The 360-degree swivel feature facilitates easy movement, and the adjustable height caters to various tasks and user preferences. Pros of this stool include its ergonomic design, ease of assembly, and versatility across multiple professional settings. However, some users have reported that the wheels may not roll as smoothly as desired, and the seat cushion could be firmer than expected. Comparatively, the Yaheetech stool holds its own against similar products in the market, offering a balance of functionality and affordability. While there are higher-end stools with additional features, this model provides essential functions at a reasonable price point. Considering its quality, durability, and included features, the stool offers good value for its price. The materials used are sturdy, and the overall construction is solid, though some users have noted that the wheels could be of higher quality. The stool is user-friendly with intuitive features that make it accessible for individuals without technical expertise. The adjustable height lever is easy to operate, and the swivel function adds to its convenience. For those seeking alternatives, the Yaheetech Rolling Saddle Stool Adjustable Salon Chair offers a similar design with a saddle seat, which some users find more comfortable for extended periods. Additionally, the Yaheetech Salon and Spa Stool provides a backrest for added support, catering to those who prefer extra lumbar support during long working hours. If you're finding this review helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your engagement helps us bring more insightful reviews to you. In conclusion, the Yaheetech Rolling Stool Adjustable Stool Chair with Wheels is a versatile and affordable option for professionals in various fields. Its ergonomic design, ease of assembly, and adjustable features make it a practical choice for those seeking a reliable stool for daily use. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions about the product or share your experiences if you already own it.